Hey guys, and welcome to my channel please. So this is the third time that I'm filming this video, literally guys, this is the third time. So basically it's been really very long time since I filmed a video, so I just fall out of filming the videos. But I really wanted to start with the filming videos because this is what has really helped my anxiety to cool down, or I will say it's really helped my anxiety basically. So recently I went to a shopping spree and I purchased a lot of things guys, really a lot of things. But disclaimer over here, I have not purchased all of the item at once, like one glance. I have within a month span I have purchased all of this item. So basically I have purchased so much of things that I have to break down this haul into 3 parts. So today I'm gonna do a Miniso haul. Second one, I'm gonna do a fashion related haul, and third one will be a makeup or beauty haul. So first of all, today let's just start with today's video. So it's a Miniso haul. So when I was in Delhi last year, starting of the last year, I got introduced to this brand Miniso. It's a Japanese brand, and I recently, instantly I fell in love with the brand. Almost every month I was purchasing one of the other thing from Miniso, and suddenly I changed this city again and I moved to Bangalore, and recently I got introduced of the Miniso store over here in Bangalore, and I have done some pretty much shopping. I have not purchased a lot of things from Miniso, but there are pretty things that have pretty much a little bit of things that I purchased from there, and I really wanted to share with all you guys because it's one of my favorite brand, and I think it will help to all you guys. As I already mentioned, I have purchased all of the things on a month span. So some of the things I've already used, so I can give the review of that item also. So let's just begin with today's video. So the first one is a lifestyle item, I will say. So basically it is the candle that I purchased from there. It is their coconut lime scented candle. I just really love this candle. I've almost finished with this guys because I have purchased this one last month. And since then I'm using this candle religiously. So yeah, I'm almost done with this candle, and I really wanted to repurchase this one because I love coconut smell, I love slime smell. So, and the combination of these is super amazing. So the next products are some I will say beauty related products that I purchased from there. So the first one is their eyebrow pencil. So I really love this one because they have got very precise nib of it. I really love this. So basically it's screw open like this, and even it has got a brush in the end. So it was bargain, literally guys, it was bargain. It just cost me for 190 rupees, and I really love this. So basically I use the color which are brunette or dark brown on my eyebrows, but this is on the gray. I was really skeptical during the time I was purchasing this because it's on the gray, it's gray color, and I was really not sure about it. But I have used this today, so it's really amazing. It suited my eyebrow color, it suited my skin tone, and I love it. So the next product is their lip balm. So it's the tinted lip balm. I really love the packaging of this. It's really give the vibe of the sugar. Yeah, I think it's it's a Burt's Bees lip balm. I really love the pattern of opening of this packaging. So basically it's a screw open kind of a thing. So they have got 2 color. Recently I visited their place Miniso, and I have seen that they have got 2 color of this lip balm. One is this pink one, another one is the coral color. So coral is a warm tone color, so it's a cool tone one. Warm tone color don't really suit my skin tone because I'm on the neutral side, so that don't suit me a lot. So I purchased this tinted lip balm. It's really amazing. So the next item is a handy dandy wet brush or tangle teaser. You can see I really love this one. First of all, I love the size of it and how handy this is. You can literally carry it with you whenever you are traveling. I really love using tangle teaser because I have really tangled prone, I will say, hair type which really get tangled throughout the day. So I really love having a tangle teaser or a wet brush on my purse. Good for go. Yeah. So the last beauty related thing is this pocket size handy mirror. So basically I really love this, how it opens, guys, and even I love the pattern how it sits. So basically if you're doing makeup on the plane or on the go on the train, you can easily like wide open it and you can put on your makeup. I know the reflection. So basically you can use it every time, anywhere, anytime. I really love this size of it. Again, it was really bargain. I think it has just cost me for 120, I guess. I just can't remember the price of this because I purchased this one last month and it's really handy. Now come to all the lifestyle or a little bit of fashion-y thing. So the first product from the lifestyle range that I have got is their Pink Panther eye mask. I really love this one. It's a silk material. That is my favorite material of all time. It really feels sexy, and basically it's a gel pack that you'll get with this. Basically you can put it on the back side of this eye mask. I'm not a huge fan of using a gel pack, so basically if you want to take a cooling sensation on your eyes or a heat sensation on your eyes, you can basically use the gel pack and you can cool it down and you can use it at the night time, or you can heat it up to use it on the night time. But I really love as it is. I'm not a huge fan of the gel pack one, so I don't use that. Otherwise I really love this. It's really great to travel out with it, and I really love the color of it. I really love it. So the next product is also a travel related product. So basically I have got this neck pillow. So I got this neck pillow. They have got many range of their neck pillows in Miniso. So the first one has got the I will say beans neck pillow, which I'm not huge fan of it because I don't feel comfort on that, on the beans one. So that was also cost for 230, and this is also for 230. And they have got one more neck pillow which cost you for 670 rupees. So I thought the 6000 sorry, it's not 6000. So the 671 will be very soft and very smooth. But recently I purchased this, and when I went to the shop I just hold up this one and the 671. So these two are, both of them are really similar. Their texture, how it feels on the neck, both are really similar. So why to waste 670 rupees when I can get it on 230 rupees? I really love this. I really love the feeling of it. It's a velvet touch. I love it. It's a velvet touch, and also it's really squeezy and soft, so it will not feel hard on your neck when you're traveling. So I really love this one. And now come all the bags and bobs. Yeah, so the first bag I got is a sling bag. So it's really tiny on the side. Yeah, it's really tiny. So basically you can't carry a lot of thing on this purse because it's not got so much of space in it. When you're like going to a night out or girls day out, you can take your purse. But again, disclaimer over here, you can't basically use a big purse in it because it has not got that big amount of size. So if you have a small purse, a handy dandy purse, you can definitely carry it over here. Or what I do, because I have a very huge purse with me, I take out my card and the money that I require, my home key, my Tangle teaser, a lip balm, eyebrow pencil, and the mini mirror. I'm good to go. Last bag that I've got from there is a tote bag. I'm not a huge fan of this color, but I love the size of it. It's not too big, not too small, it's just perfect. But again, it don't have got a huge space in it, so it's good for day out time, or if you're going for shopping or anything, you can definitely carry this one. Your umbrella, purse, some of the makeups in it, and it's really handy, I will say. It's not practical, but it's handy. The last two items that I've got from there are the two teddies. Are soft toys. Yeah, I have got some child on me, and definitely you should have the child on you. You should not kill them. So yeah, so the first one is a unicorn soft toy. Their soft toys are so soft, guys. So basically, again, it has got the same material as the neck pillow one, the velvety touch, and it's really soft. The material inside of the soft toy are so good that if you squeeze the soft toy, it will not stay intact in that place. It will definitely it's gonna squeeze out. I really love this one. I purchased this, and this one, these two have got from there. And again, these two, as per their material concern, they are on bargain. It per terries, I think it has cost me for around 400 something. I think it's bargain according to their material. If you could have touched these, definitely is, you can know it's really soft. So these are all the things that I have recently purchased from Miniso. I know it's not a lot of thing, but now will come with a lot of shopping from makeup, for makeup and for the fashion. But this is my first part of the haul. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. And what I have seen that recently Miniso have came out with their makeup range, beauty range. If you guys want me to do a review on that, definitely I will suggest you can give a comment on the comment section, so that I can see that you guys want me to film the video. I will definitely gonna film that. If you have loved this video, don't forget to click the like button and give a like to this video. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, you all guys stay beautiful. Definitely I'm gonna come soon. Yes, that's a promise. Bye.